What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another video. And today's video is really fun because I went back out to Mexico and had a bunch of runs and recorded as much as I could, as best as I could. And so we're gonna go ahead and make this video a little different. We're gonna jump back to the past and show you guys all the runs and kind of give you guys a little tidbits about the runs and what I did. So the very first run that I had was versus a C7 Stingray, and I didn't know what it had, but it was on street tires, and we did a 50 roll, and I didn't spray or anything. It was NA, and I was able to just jump out miles ahead of it, but it was a pro-charged C7 Stingray, and at the top end it just came blowing by me. I was able to jump it like a few cars, and then it kind of came up and got me at the end. But very good run, very awesome. Then we ran a few Mustangs and did just some back and forth, and you'll see the runs. I don't really know what they had, probably just bolt-on tunes for the most part, tune E85 maybe, but ran a few different Mustangs and some Camaros, and here's going to be the clips of all those. Then we finally got up to some pretty big heavy hitters, guys, and we ran a Mustang that was a 6-speed with a Paxton supercharger on E85. That thing was making about 800 to the wheels, 750, 800 to the wheels, and we were doing 60 rolls. I've definitely turned the nitrous kit on for those runs, and the car did really well, surprisingly. It jumps out. And I believe, if I remember correctly, you can see in the videos, I mean, we're pretty good, pretty even, but then, of course, the big supercharger Paxton that the car has and the extra almost 150, 200 horsepower really kind of start to show, and the Mustang pulls in the end. But very surprised at how well this car was able to keep up. Then we ran a Nissan 240, fully built engine, standalone system on a turbo, and that thing moved. Now, I was able to just jump out ahead of him, but then by 120 miles an hour, it looked like I was sitting still, and you could just see him flying by me. Really, really fun runs, but still, again, surprised with how this car did.
1, 2, 3.
I also ran a couple other cars. I don't know if I got the runs in for that, but it was a Subaru WRX. That thing was insanely fast. I think it had a built motor and all that, so I'm sure that car was doing well. At that point, the nitrous had pretty much gone down. I didn't have that much nitrous. I raced another C7 Z06, a white one. I don't know if I don't think I got that run recorded, but that was pretty good. We were pretty even. At that point, definitely didn't have any nitrous. And I turned the nitrous on. I didn't know I didn't have any, so we were pulling back some timing and adding a lot of fuel, so running pretty rich. Probably could have been a lot better race just NA, but still really good run with that car.
2, 3.
And that was about it, guys. We are finally back home from going out to Mexico, and it was actually a really, really fun time out there, and definitely surprised a lot of people with the Camaro. It definitely surprised a lot of people. The runs were insane.